Hi guys, welcome to the ariser.eu project here. That's the website. We've just restyled it, and one of the videos that I'd like to add as well is building your Ariser ISO. That's covered. The video will come up here. But there is an alternative to Ariser, and it's basically another choice. Like 1,000 choices when you make a distro. Here we just set XFCE, and here we just say, let's install Plasma, with some more elements that we're gonna change. So this is just a video to show you how easy it is to build your own ISO. Go to your desktop, and then anything that's there, remove, and then work, right? It's your desktop, work on the desktop, like you would on a real desktop. And all you need to remember is build. Build me this. It's building. And you know the drill. When you see these 5 lines, then you can take a cup of tea. So checking the keys in keyring, checking package integrity, a line and a 2, 3, 4, 5 up, and we're off, right? So now you can walk away and you get a ISO as a result. Let's wait for this to happen. When the ISO is built, you'll see some information here, checksums and all that, and it's going to go to Sierra out. So Eric, you look for the S, Sierra out, and this is the one of today. Then we have this little button here, which is min stick, and we burn USB to the ISO to USB, or you first test it out. You go to VirtualBox, for example, and you go for the disk, the Sierra out ArcoLinux, it says, right? There's no change. It's a pure Arch with a folder. That's it. So open, and now we have to tell the system, forget about booting up, because there is already something available there. There is Sierra. So boot up from the DVD or the CD, or how you want to call it. And it's Arch. You'll see the same texts as on Arch. Welcome to ArcoLinux, it says, right? The only thing is, here we type 4 letters, and that's it. We type Alice, and then off it goes. It knows what to run, it knows what to do. There's only one thing. I would say count to 10, because ArcoLinux is working very hard. A particular service is working. Pacman init is working now. And before, when it's if you run it before it's finished, right, it needs to finish. So probably talked long enough. There are more complex videos, but I want to keep this one a very, very simple one indeed. Alice, yes, yes. That's it. Now you can walk away. So why, yes, yes. And the system knows what it needs to do. It knows that it has to make 8 GB RAM swap, It knows that it has to change XZ compression to ZST. It knows that it needs to install Plasma. So that's the main difference between Ariser and Sierra, is just that the end user, me, wanted to have Plasma instead of XFCE, and there is Mate, and there is Cinnamon, and there is GNOME, and there is so much more, right? And it's just a choice. And you can do that also on the fly. You can go to the scripts, edit them and change them, and then run. But like I said, I wanted this to be the super simple installation. Alice, yes, yes. That's it. That's all you need to remember. And the scripts from Pico, not from me, from Pico, will do its job. All right, let's wait till they finish, and then you see what we get. In the meantime, I was working on my other computer again, and off we go. All right. It just shuts down automatically, reboots automatically, and what you get? A beautiful default SDDM. This is pure Arch, guys. This is how ArcoLinux actually shows us Plasma, the default look, the default settings, which is actually not that bad. And with a few tricks and themes and tweaks, and it's so easy to tweak Plasma, but this is the default. Right? Appearance, get global theme, choose one of those 100,000, maybe a little bit less, but there you go. You can install this thing and it will look like that. Just a button to click again and you have a plasma that's beautiful. All right, so this is Sierra. Cheers.